Hey guys, this is 7.2 setting up SohCahToa, and this will be a pretty quick lesson, so it should be a good one. So first of all, just want to make sure that we remember what SohCahToa stands for from the last lesson. So I just have a triangle set up here with an angle A, and I just want to remind us how to label the sides. So again, I always start with the hypotenuse, and then I find the angle that we're given, which was angle A, look across the triangle from it, label that opposite, and then next to it is your adjacent side, okay? And then just a reminder, sine, or the S stands for sine, so how we would write this is sine of A, and we haven't really done this yet, but that's coming. So sine of A is O over H, so you would literally write opposite over hypotenuse. We'll abbreviate HYP since we're used to that one. Or if we're given numbers, as we will in this example coming up, we would fill the numbers in. But sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine, COS for short, cosine of angle A would be equal to A over H, so adjacent over hypotenuse. We'll abbreviate hypotenuse again. And then lastly, tangent, or TAN for short, tangent of angle A is O over A, so that would be opposite over adjacent. Like so. All right. So diving into our one and only example here, it says set up all three trig ratios for the given angle, and then there's a triangle given to us. So first thing is we are given the 30-degree angle. So I'm just going to kind of look there or circle it, whatever makes the most sense to you, and then label your sides according to that angle. So first thing is the hypotenuse. That's going to be up here. Across from it, I do the same thing every time. Cross is opposite. I sort of wrote op. And then next to it is our adjacent side. Okay, so if we're going to set up all three trig ratios, that means we're going to set up sine of the angle that was given to us, 30 degrees, equals. I'm going to keep going here. Cosine of 30 degrees equals. And tangent of 30 degrees equals. Okay, now I'm just going to go through, use SohCahToa to help us remember. So O over H, so I'm going to find O, which is 15, over H, which is 30. 15 over 30. And you could reduce these if you want. You could reduce the fraction, but not the biggest concern right now. So I'm just going to leave it the way that it is. Okay, cosine is A over H. So find that adjacent side. It's 26 over hypotenuse 30. So 26 over 30. And then lastly, tangent would be O over A, so opposite 15 over adjacent 26. And that's it. That's setting up SohCahToa. That's all we're doing in this lesson. You can go ahead and get to practice. Keep working hard.